Did you know a king who spent his life building immunity to poison was ultimately killed by his own paranoid preparations? Mithridates VI of Pontus was Rome's most persistent enemy for over 20 years. He had fought 3 brutal wars against the Republic and survived countless assassination attempts. His secret? Every single day he consumed small doses of deadly toxins to build immunity. But in 63 BC, everything fell apart when his own son betrayed him to the Romans. Trapped in his final stronghold with enemy forces closing in, the king faced certain capture. Rather than endure the humiliation of a Roman triumph, he chose suicide. He drank his most potent poison and waited to die. Nothing happened. His body had become too resistant. Desperate, he tried different toxins one after another, all failed. The man who had mastered every poison couldn't even kill himself. In his final moments, he begged a Gallic bodyguard to end his life with a sword. The king who feared poison above all else was defeated by his own immunity.